Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. AFAQ New Iqbal Series Student Resource Pack English Grade 3 Academic Planner Unit-02 Number of SLOs 16. Build your skills. Worksheet number 14. Punctuation rules. Punctuate and rewrite the following sentences. Yes, I love my parents, comma, my grandparents also live with us, comma, we are a happy family, full stop. We should help and respect each other, full stop. I love my country, full stop. Sheet number 15. Words meanings. Write meanings of the given words. Yes, wonder, feeling amazed. हैरान होना, creature, a living being other than human, कोई जिंदा no. Amazed, surprised in a good way, खुश हैरानगी. Survive, continue living या जिंदा रहना. Responsibility, moral obligation या जिम्मेदारी. Worship, great admiration, parastish. Worksheet number 16. Comprehension. Read the given passage and answer the following questions. Favorite dinner? Aisha's grandfather comes to visit once a month from Karachi. Aisha's grandfather lives in Karachi. Her grandfather makes a barbecue chicken for her. Aisha's grandfather teaches Aisha's mother to make special chicken dinner. Worksheet number 17. Read the given passage and answer the following questions. Amazing fish. Qasim used Hassan's net to catch the fish. Hassan is Qasim's friend. Qasim found a salmon. Qasim's mother told him to return the fish to the brook because it cannot survive in a bowl. Worksheet number 18. Creative writing. Write a rhyme poem of your own. Worksheet number 19. Write a paragraph on the topic, a visit to the zoo. Last year, we went to visit a zoo at Lahore. My parents and brothers and sisters were with me. We reached at the zoo at 4 o'clock. My father bought the tickets and we went inside. There we saw different animals. I saw a crocodile, a hippopotamus, a monkey, and deers. There was also a stuffed elephant, but it wasn't alive. I asked my father why there is a stuffed elephant and not a real one. He told me that the only elephant of this zoo has died few years back. I felt sad to hear about this. However, we enjoyed our visit to the zoo. Worksheet number 20. Write a paragraph about your favorite personality.
My father is my favorite personality. He's young and handsome. He likes to read and write all the time. He takes care of us a lot. He plays with us. I love him a lot.
Worksheet number 21. Fill in the following story web to write a story of your own.